Hello guys, welcome back to Pentesters Club. Today we're going to solve another tutorial name called a Socpify. It's a Reconnaissance tool, not a music tool. So the people they can confuse like similar like a Spotify. It's not a Spotify, it's a Socpify. It's like a Reconnaissance tool. So Socpify is a Python command line tool designed for a penetration testers and bug bounty hunters to quickly gather and analyze a infrastructure information and CDN content directory networks and hosting and SaaS for a target company by a scraping by Netify.ai developed by Jerax. It optionally leverage with OpenAI also can work to provide AI-driven analysis of the gathered infrastructure highlighted for a potential areas of interest and suggestions reconnaissance methodologies. Now, we would like to look here everything. Now, I would like to try to open the terminal. I would like to go back here. So this is a Socpify. Let's just copy, come back here. Just type it as a git clone and paste this repository. It will clone the repository. Now, we just go to here as Socpify. Now, just type it as list minus air. Now, I would like to install a virtual environment. So I have activated here. Now just type it as pip3 install minus r requirements.txt. Now this is done. Now just type it as list minus here. Now you just type here as Python 3 is Socpify.python. Uh, we would like to try here as minus help. Now, what is your a targeted thing? Is like I would like to come back here. I would like to go for a company name. I would like to go for as a Walmart. Then I would like to go for as minus a for a analyze. Okay. Uh, it says analyze. Now let's see where you have got here like Akamai Technologies where with a targeted IP address, Amazon CloudFront. You can see here fastly and Cloudflare active is 16, Azure front door is 5 and hosting Google hosting, Amazon AWS, Unitas Global, Microsoft Azure, everything it was available. So where the SaaS like Email Studio, About EM, About ADS, Center Grid, like a SMTP, Salesforce for who are they look everything and every useful information. They have used a mail gun also to send a valid emails also here. That's it here. Now, we would like to try here as another targeted domain, I mean company. We would like to go for is a Tesla. We would like to try this. Now, you can look here the Tesla. What is the results you can get here? Uh, China Telecom IDC, Microsoft Azure. So this is very less. That's it here. Now we can try here as something like we would like to try here as an bug crowd. Bug crowd. You can look here. No, it not analyze the bug crowd. Now I would like to look here as a big one. We would like to target only the big one as Facebook. Now we would like to try this. So Facebook posting in Amazon and WordPress and SaaS targeted IP address. Now, then we would like to look here as another one. Here is Amazon. You can look here. What is the Amazon? So even you can export your API keys, but you need to recharge. I mean, like I put the money for AI. So that will not give automatic request. You need to get like $5 to $10 input. Then you can get the your API key. Then you can try to a request with AI also. That will give a more information about the targeted thing. Now let's I would like to try with as another one now. Now, which one we would like to try? Like, I would like to try here as a Binance. Now we would like to look here. What is the results we can get here? So Amazon CloudFront, and it was protected with Cloudflare, cloud hosting with AWS and Amazon AWS, and it was even using Vulture on AWS Global Accelerator, about Campaign, about EM, Mailgun. They also use a Mailgun SMTP for a SaaS for providing. That's it. So you try it your own guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.